Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn about integrating trigonometric function. In here, the first you must remember about trigonometry. If we have the integral of sinus dx, it is equal to negative cos x plus c. And then if we have the integral of cos x dx, it is equal to sinus x plus c. And then if we have the integral of tangent x dx, or it is equal to the integrals of sinus x over cos x dx, or it is equal to negative ln cos x plus c, or it is same with ln the absolute of 1 over cos x plus c, right? Now let us turn into the method for evaluating the integrals of the complex trigonometric expression. In here we can see that we have the three topics in here. The first, if we have the integrals of the form is the integral of sinus x power of n times cos x power of n dx. And then for the second is, if we have the integrals of the form the integral of sinus mx times cos nx dx, integral of sinus mx times sin nx dx, and then the integral of cosine mx times cos nx, and then the integral of cos mx times sinus nx dx. And then for the third is substituting t, it is equal to tangent x over 2. So let's see for the first. We have the three subtopic in here. First is m and n, both odd numbers. Second is 1 of m or n is odd numbers. And then third is m and n are the both even numbers. So let's go to the first. In here we have m and n are both odd numbers. So the first is you must let m it is equal to 2x plus 1 and n it is equal to 2t plus 1, because this is m and n are the odd numbers. So we can get the 2k plus 1 and the 2t plus 1. So we can write the integral as the integrals of sinus x with the power is, it is m, right? And we can substitute with 2x plus 1, and then this is cos x with the power of 2t plus 1, or this is same with n. So if we can substitute that, so we can continue to this integral of sinus x power of 2x plus 1, and then we can see in here so we have the 2t plus 1, so it means that we have the cos x power of 2t times cos x power of 1, right? Because 2t and then this is 1, so we can get the 2t plus 1, and then the integral of sinus x with the power of 2x plus 1, and then we can see in here have the cos x power of 2t, so we can make this form like cos x power of 2, and then we have t in here, so it means that it is same with cos x power of 2t, right? So we just only make the different form but not make the different value. And then the integral of sinus x power of 2x plus 1. And then we have already know that with the trigonometric identity we have the cos square x plus sinus square x, it is equal to 1. So it means that we have the cos x power of 2, it is same with 1 minus sin x square, right? So this is still same, we have the power t times cos x dx. And then use the substitution, we can use the u, it is equal to sinus x dx, and then when we can the derivative this function, so we can get du over dx, it is equal to the derivative is cos x. right? And then we can get the du, it is equal to cos x dx. And then we can substitute the integrals of u power of 2k plus 1 times 1 minus u, it is equal to sinus x, right? So we can get u square power of t du. And then we know that if 2x plus 1 in here, it is sum with m. So the integrals of u power of m times 1 minus u square t du. So let's see the examples. Okay, right now we have this cos x power of 7 times sinus x power of 3 dx. And then in here, the first step, we must make the integral of cos power of 7x times, and then sinus in here, we can make the sinus power of 2 times sinus x, right? It is dx, because this is still same with the sinus x power of 3. And then for the next, we can make the integrals of cos power of 7x, and then the sinus square x we can change with 1 minus cos square x times sinus x dx. Why? Because we can see, or we know that the cos square x times sinus square x, it is equal to 1. So we can make the 1 minus cos square x. And then from here we can continue with we can use the u. Let u it is equal to cos x. So we can know that the u it is equal to the negative sinus x dx. So we can know that dx it is equal to negative du over sinus x. So from here we can continue and back in here, cos we cannot know with u. U power of 7 times 1 minus cos it is equal to u square times sinus x, and dx it is equal to negative du over sinus x. So we can eliminate sinus, so we can get a negative in here, so we can take in front of the integrals, and then u power of 7 times 1 is u power of 7 minus u power of 7, and this is minus u square, it is equal to u power of 9, and then we have du in here. So we can make the integral of this negative. The integral of u power of 7 is 1 over 8, and then u power of 8 minus 1 over 10, and then u power of 10 plus c, right? So in here we can get the minus 1 over 8, and now u it is equal to cos x, so we can change that with cos power of 8x minus and times minus, it is equal to positive, and then we have the 1 over 10, u it is equal to cos x, and then the power is 10 plus c. So this is the result.